Hello folks, this is a 2005 Tye-guh wakeboard water ski boat. It's a 21i model, 2005. It's got the 5.7 Vortec fuel injected 340 horsepower engine. It's a beautiful, beautiful boat here if you're looking for a watercraft. Just doing a quick video here. It is registered here in Arizona, here at Nelson RV in Tucson, Arizona. Sorry, I get a close up here. Just showing you really quick steps here. It's in and out, excellent shape. Been fully checked out by our boat mechanic here. He's given it a full thumbs up. He'd give it a 5 thumbs up if he had 5 thumbs. But I'm just showing you here. Excuse me while I climb up in here. Interior's in excellent shape. It's got the tower speakers there. The front directional wakeboard tower. You see here it's got a Fusion stereo system with the cover there. All your gauges. All safety equipment's all has it all in there. I'll just kind of open up that for you. It's got a 10-person or 1,442 weight capacity. Got a little storage up front here behind the seat. Really excellent shape, folks. You're looking for a nice water ski boat or just to cruise around in the lakes around here in Arizona. Here's that beauty right here. Very low hours on it. Doesn't have an hour meter, but our boat mechanic says it has very low hours on it according to what he sees here. And fully serviced here, oil changed. Folks, you want to come see this? Come see us at 4060 North Flowing Wells Road. Give us a call at 520-293-1010. Or you can call or text somebody in sales for more information. 520-512-8171. Thank you for watching this video and happy boating.